This is Canada's National Artificial Intelligence Strategy. So generate an AI podcast based on your sources.
Imagine for a second, inventing the engine that powers the entire modern world.
Yeah, it's a huge paradox.
It really is.
Okay, this is so freaking cool. Hey everyone, today we're going to try out Google's NotebookLM. Now, if you're like me, you heard about this product a lot, probably from friends or just seen people talk about it online, but you've probably never tried it like I haven't. So today I have a use case, which is I want to read Canada's AI strategy. It's like a 50-page doc. I think this is a good use case for using NotebookLM to see if it can help me decipher it better. I just went to notebooklm.google.com. Let's create a new notebook. I'm also going to change the settings to be light so that you can see better. So it seems to have a bunch of features. I add my sources here, so let me add my source. This is Canada's National Artificial Intelligence Strategy that our Prime Minister just released. It's about 50 pages or more. So I'm going to add that as a source. And then the part that I heard a lot of friends talking about is it converts things to an audio so that it's almost like you're listening to your own podcast that's custom made for you. So generate an AI podcast based on your sources. I'm going to click that button. It took a minute, but the audio generated. So let's listen to it.
Imagine for a second, inventing the engine that powers the entire modern world, but like half your citizens are just terrified to turn the key.
Right.
Today we are looking at Canada, and this is the country that basically birthed modern artificial intelligence, but we're exploring why it currently ranks 44th out of 47 countries in AI literacy.
Yeah, it's a huge paradox.
It really is. So we are unpacking this comprehensive national blueprint. It's called Canada's National Artificial Intelligence Strategy, AI for All. Mm-hmm. And our mission for this deep dive is to figure out how a country that...
That's so cool. You know, I know some people are like, oh, AI is replacing our thinking and will make us stupider, but I firmly disagree. I think the reason, I mean, even before AI, we saw people's IQs, literacy, mathematical scores, everything going down. I think if AI can make knowledge acquiring more fun and entertaining, that's actually a plus for increasing people's intelligence. It created a 23-minute podcast, so I'm definitely gonna listen to this. Can I download it? I'm gonna download it. Cool, that was easy. And then I'm kind of curious about the other modes. So there's a interactive mode.
Oh wait, someone wants to join. Hey, go for it.
I'm a software engineer. What parts of the AI strategy pertain to me?
Oh, a software engineer. Welcome to the conversation.
That is so cool. You are right in the thick of it.
Honestly, this strategy has your name written all over it, especially in Pillar 4.
Okay, let's unpack this for our engineer friend here.
For one, the government is building a world-leading supercomputer.
Okay, I'm going to pause that. I think you get the gist of it. I'm definitely going to play around with it more, but I think that's so cool. And if I click this arrow, it gives me the option to customize the audio. So a deep dive, a brief, a critique, a debate, the length, and then I could also ask it to focus on some specific thing. This also gives suggestions, which is cool because it just infers based on the sources it's uploaded, but it will generate another episode if I wanted to. For instance, if I wanted to focus on the funding mechanisms and what this strategy means for AI startups in Canada, maybe I'm a founder, then I can generate... Okay, cool. It saved the previous one. I was worried it was going to override it. It's going to generate a new podcast episode for me, and I get to listen to it on my walks and things. We have very different dynamic ways of learning. Sitting still and staring at something is not the only way to learn. And tools like this enable more people to develop a love for knowledge and learning. So I'm so excited. Let's try some more of these features. This chat here, I can ask it specific questions like, how much is Canada putting into AI in total? So there's no total figure for the national AI strategy, but based on blah, 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 the government is delivering on more than $2 billion in existing investments for Canadian AI compute. And if I click this, it will tell me exactly where it's referencing that on the source. Let's try the mind map feature. Let's do a slide deck too, because I'm going to an event. Perhaps I can show the slide deck to people if they want an overview. So this is the mind map. Let's check it out. Canada's AI strategy and core principles, strategic pillars, strategic landscape, priority sectors, key actions and initiatives. So let's go to priority sectors. Interesting. Let's do key initiatives. Interesting. And what are the targets? 60% business AI adoption. Interesting. If I click that. Okay, and then in the chat it gives me more details here. GDP growth gain, 1 million students trained. This is so cool. Wow, I've been like really missing out on using NotebookLM. Like, this is crazy. Ooh, maybe I'll do an explainer video presented to you by AI. Let's also do that. Explainer, English. Let's do white. Let's say focus on AI governance and safety aspect. Our slide deck is done. I'm excited to open it. Canada's National Artificial Intelligence Strategy. Ooh. Canada AI is already transforming human outcomes. Diagnosing newborns, securing the food supply. The strategic landscape, world-class ingredients alongside critical structural vulnerabilities. This is so detailed for slides. This is so detailed. Look at the level of detail. And I didn't have to feed like any of this information. Unlocking public data as a secure strategic national asset. This is so cool. I might present this in the event I'm going to. They're going to be so impressed, even though I didn't do anything. Well, I guess I did do something, which is go out of my way to adopt a new AI product. And I also have the other podcasts I generated with the specific focus.
In 2025, Canada ranked 5th globally in artificial intelligence venture capital, which...
Okay, that's really cool. The last feature I'm waiting for is the video generation. It says it could take a little bit, but yeah, this is so cool. I think this is also available in like my phone app, so I can listen to like the podcast episode it generated. It gives me suggestion prompts here for good questions to ask to engage with the document. I can add notes. I think that this strategy is great for Canada. Where does it save my notes? New note. Thoughts on strategy. Cool. My video one is taking a little bit, so let me go do something else while I wait for this to finish. My video is ready. Let us play it.
Welcome to this explainer on Canada's national AI strategy. Today, we're cutting right through the hype to focus entirely on the crucial rules, regulations, and here is our quick roadmap for how Canada plans to balance mass.
Okay, sorry, I forgot I was recording a video, but that is like so cool. Am I the only one that thinks this is so cool? Please comment below to say you also think this is cool, because otherwise I think I'm going crazy. I think I'm gonna end the video here. I think I've like tried out most of the features and I just want to like actually use it now and stop recording. I'm really like gung-ho about incorporating and trying the latest AI products to increase my productivity and make me more successful. So if you want to stay on top of what actually works in the real world in terms of AI products, then follow this channel and leave me a comment to support me. And yeah, that's it for this video. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Bye.